So it's 1957, and Miles Davis is getting ready to release an album called Miles Ahead on Columbia Records. The album cover went to press before Miles had the chance to see it. This is the image they chose to use. When Miles saw it, he was furious. His response? At the second pressing, they used this image of Miles instead. What they were asking Miles to do wasn't uncommon in the industry at that time. Attractive white women were often used to sell albums, among many other things. But when it came to albums featuring primarily black artists, a whole slew of racial dynamics came into play. Black artists were sometimes left off of their own album covers because it was thought that if a black person were on the cover, white audiences might not buy the music, particularly white Southern audiences. They would often use artwork or scenery, and in some cases, attractive white women or couples, particularly in the jazz arena. That's the reason for covers like Nat King Cole, The Touch of Your Lips, Otis Redding, Otis Blue, Nat King Cole, Wild as Love and Sings for Two in Love, Cannonball Adderley's Sophisticated Swing and Bohemia After Dark, and Dionne Warwick recently told this story during her appearance on Stephen Colbert, at a taping that I missed by one day.
The record company printed this label on your record, and they thought this is who was showing up over in Paris.
I said, yeah, I ain't no white woman, I'm black.
The EP ironically contained her first hit single. The name? Don't Make Me Over.